There's something about being surrounded by nature, the quiet stillness, the flow of the wind, the rhythm of the earth beneath your feet, the sound of the waterfalls. In these moments, we feel a connection, a deep sense of belonging. Nature is where we return to ourselves. And just like nature, art is the way we return and reconnect to the essence of who we are. In both these places, we draw power. The elements, earth, water, air, fire, ether, are the building blocks of life. They are present in everything we touch and see. Just as the elements shape the natural world, they shape our creativity. Earth grounds us, water flows through our ideas, air gives us space to breathe, and fire sparks inspiration. Art is born from this connection to nature. It is an expression of these elements flowing through us. Creativity is like nature. It ebbs and flows like a river, sometimes rushing forward, sometimes still. It moves through us in ways we can't always explain, much like the wind that rustles the trees. Creativity is a force, a natural rhythm that we tune into when we allow ourselves to be present, when we let go of control and let the elements speak through us. Artists have always been inspired by nature. We feel the pull to create because we are part of her. The shapes, colors, lines, patterns, and textures in nature are often reflected in our art, whether it's the curve of a leaf, the rough bark of a tree, or the way light dances on water, a blue sky or a bird's wing, the way the rain falls, and the movement of waves lapping the shore on a horizon's edge. The beauty and inspiration surrounds us when we tap into this connection. We realize that creativity is not something separate from us. It's an integral part of who we are, just like breathing. Art is a mirror for nature. When we draw, paint, or create, we're interpreting the world around us, whether it is realistically or abstractly. Every stroke, every line is an echo of the natural world. Every color, shape, form is here to remind us. Whether we're aware of it or not, nature is always present in our creativity. We are all connected, humans, animals, plants, and the earth. This connection is not just physical, but also emotional and spiritual. When we create, we are expressing our place within this web of life. We draw power from the infinite source of creation, herself. We dream into being and remember who we are, our voice, our heart, our spirit. Making art becomes a way of honoring the natural world and our relationship with it. It's a way we connect and give voice to all our expression. Through art, we remember that we are not separate from the earth, but part of a greater whole. Art is the bridge between ourselves and the world around us. Through our creative expression, we channel the energy of the elements, our emotions, and our experiences into something tangible. And in that process, we grow closer to nature, to ourselves, and to each other. So next time you feel a pull to create, step outside, listen to the wind, feel the earth beneath your feet, and allow nature to guide your hand. Let go into the body and open the heart and the mind. Find your colors, marks, shapes, lines, and forms that are uniquely yours. Listen to the sounds beyond. Dream into being. Whether you're drawing, painting, or simply being present, remember that creativity is your birthright and is always with you, just as nature is always with you. We are all connected, and through art making and showing up to our creative expressions, we honor that connection.